Hello everyone. So every developer who are working on modern projects or modern UIs, he needs to know how to work with APIs. So we have a bunch of fake data. Now we are going to use two methods. First one is fetch method and second one is Axios module. So let's just start with fetch method. So we're in the documentation of JSON placeholder. So you can see here. Now this is fetch method. Let's just copy this and paste it in our VS Code. Now let's just check out output. So you can see here we have first data. Now we will play with endpoints. So you can see here this is post state data, means we have all the data. Now let's just provide here one. You can see only one data is here. Now let's remove this and you can see all the data is here. So what we need is we need this URL. We often call this URL as endpoints. So let's just copy this URL and just remove this one and paste this. Now check out output. You can see here 100 number of data here. Now we are going to save this data in a state and then we will render this data in our web page. So for that we need to import use state and use effect. Now let's call use effect just remove this input. Let's call this fetch method in use effect. So we need only once data. When a page loads, then we need only one time data. Now we need use state because we need to save this data into empty array. So let's make it data. Now let's make it empty array. Now we will store this data or store this response in this set in this data array. So let's just remove this line and set data JSON. So this JSON will provide us all the data, and we are saving this data into this data array using set data method. Now let's just console our data. So console data array. Now let's check output. You can see here number of data, 100 number of data. You can see here. Now let's print it in our UI. So we are going to use array.map method. So let's make curly bracket and array name is data. Then we'll use map method, callback function. Then let's say provide us data. Then we return li and let's just print data dot title. You can see here number of data. Let's just provide here index. You can see here index 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we have 100 data. It starts from 0 to 99. So that's how we can use fetch method. Now let's use Axios method. So first of all we need to install Axios package. So just open your terminal and type here npm install Axios, enter. So after installation, let's call it. So axios.get. Now let's provide this URL. Then it will provide us the response. So just log this response, and that's it. Let's check our console. See, we have object, and in data we have all our data. So let's just provide here data. Now you will see data. There are 100 data. So now let's just print in our UI. So for that, all you need to do is remove this line and set data to response.data. You can see here output is absolutely fine. You can see here. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in another video. Bye bye.